Hello everyone, good evening, Namaskar. My name is Sarita and I welcome you all to our channel Readers Angan. So today I have come with the poem Fifth Analysis of Geetanjali. So let's begin. I ask for a moment's indulgence to sit by thy side. The works that I have in hand, I'll finish afterwards. Away from the sight of thy face, my heart knows no rest nor respite, and my work becomes an endless toil in a shoreless sea of toil. Today, the summer has come at my window with its sighs and murmurs, and the bees are plying their minstrelsy at the court of the flowering grove. Now it is time to sit quiet, face to face with thee, and to sing dedication of life in this silent and overflowing leisure. So now coming to the analysis part of it. So the poet asks for a moment to sit by the side of his lover without bothering about the work which he has. He can't find comfort because he can't see his beloved, and all his works become extremely hard. Endless toil means this hardship has no end, and shoreless sea of toil means this sea of hardship has no shores. It shows without the beloved, the hardships and difficulties are endless. There is no end to it. Moving on further, the season of summer has arrived, playing its background music. Bees are humming in the flower garden. And at this point of time, the poet in silence and leisure dedicates his life to divine. So overall, it depicts how love is a sweet emotion. All of us want to experience this emotion, spending time with our beloved, getting anxious if we are not able to see them, making them happy, all of it seem beautiful. Even a thought of theirs play a music in our mind and we dance on their rhythm. And finally, it is in silence where everything dissolves and nothing else matters, and we dedicate ourselves completely to our beloved. So that's the end of it. Thank you for listening to this audio, and do give me your views, what you think and make out of this poem. So thank you so much. Meet you soon again with the next audio. Hope you like the audio. Bye bye. Namaskar. Take care till then.